Hello everyone. Today we will have an interesting story of an ape and an ant. So ready? Let's begin.
The Story of an Ape and an Ant by Kirti Parnami. Once upon a time, a very long time ago, one ant was walking uphill. She got tired and sat on an X. She inhaled and exhaled air hard and began to eat an apple. An ape was sitting few inches away. He asked the ant about her age. The ant itched her ear and said, "I am elder than an egg, but younger than an eagle." Ant also said, "I live in an anthill in the east. It is easy than ever to find, as it is now under an orange tree, and an owl is always sitting on it. It is the only tree in the orchard on the hill. You can either come along now with me or come alone afterwards." Instead of waiting for the ape to reply, the ant shook her elbow and opened her umbrella. She held the umbrella above her head, rolled her eyes up, and went away marching. The ape got a story in answer to one question. The ape sat atop his engine. It was open from up. He kept all his utensils in order and took out an owl-shaped spoon from under the seat. He used it to eat apricot ice cream. He wished to see an igloo and set out on a ride around India. As his engine entered the ice-covered area, he heard the echo of the same ant story in English. He saw the ant in her orange uniform with an umbrella over him. The ant was looking more like a unicorn. The ape was now angry. He ordered the ant to go under the bridge and not fly above it. But the ant made an ugly face and uttered few words. She took a U-turn and started running alongside the engine. She was now looking like an ostrich to the ape. The ape was eager to usher inside a tunnel to escape from the ant. He thought it will be an easy option, but the ant was excited and reached out earlier than him. The ape understood that the ant is not just a small insect. She is able to reach anywhere on earth, and he will indeed have to act fast. He came up with an idea. He had few items. He took them out. He put some ink from an ink pot on his index finger and wrote "Stop" on a paper. He taped the paper on an iron rod and waved it in front of the ant. The ant stopped. The ant asked, "What is the issue? Why are you running away from me?" Ape said, "I want us to be friends and not attack each other. I was ill and had no friends. I met an octopus and an ox. I asked them their age. They laughed and said, 'They are too big to be my friends. I shall go to an ant. So I came to you and asked your age. But you also went away. And now you are appearing in new attires and new avatars all over my head. The ant made an oval face and climbed up on the ape's arm. She said, I also want to be your friend. I was trying to come ahead only to accord you my friendship. You are awarded with my effort. Now the ape itched his head, but he was happy that the chase was over and he had also made an interesting friend. The ant started a new story again. This time, everyone was enjoying. So, can you now sort all the long and short vowel sound words from the story? Yes, you can. Let's begin.
So did you like the story? Did you notice the story had lots of words with these sounds? These are the vowel sounds. And we know the vowels make two sounds, the long sound and a short sound. The long sound of the vowel is the name sound. A will have A as the long sound. E, I, O, U. The names of the vowels will make a long sound. All other sounds are the short sounds, like A, ape, mane. There is a long sound, the name sound A, but ant, man, cat, all are the short sounds. Other vowels also make the long sound with their name, eat, pen. So a long E and E. Same way the other vowels will have a long and a short sound. So now what you need to do? Listen to the story again. Identify all the long and the short vowel sounds from the story and send it to me. Bye.